How to delete previous resume in LinkedIn. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on your profile and arrow-like option on top right. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down to the left side in Settings to Data Privacy. Then scroll all the way down till you find Job Seeking Preferences. Make sure Share Your Profile when you click Apply for a job is turned on or off, and also signal your interested recruiters as you want. Then click on Resume and Application Data. You'll find Share Resume Data with Recruiters here. If you have uploaded a resume, you can delete it by clicking on three dots, and simply you'll find Delete option. And that's how you delete previous resume in LinkedIn. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Make sure you comment down below. This is Sophia signing off. Until next time.